got, Andrew? Got you a snapper.
Snapper on the jig.
Snapper time.
All right. Get you another one.
Way to go,
another
man.
red snapper.
All right.
All right, Andrew.
Sweet fish.
On the.
I think it's small.
Yeah. Another red snapper. Pesky red snapper. Yeah. Too bad they're so endangered you can't catch them.
Yeah.
Nice.
Red damn snapper.
Darn snappers.
That's a bigger one though.
Nice fish. Oh, he would taste good. So sad.
We'd had our limit by now.
Alright, it's February 21st, 2016. We're going to go down this Carpet FAD. We got a piece of concrete here. We're going to try for an anchor. 80 feet of water. Alright, we're getting ready to put down the Carpet FAD in FH13. We're on 110303A, rubble pile. Marking a lot of fish. Only thing we've caught is snapper, as usual.
Okay, here he goes.
Down she goes.
Woo! Oh, I got another one.
Joseph, that's a good one.
I see color.
This is absolutely ridiculous.
Yeah, look at that one.
No, that might not be. Oh, there was really. Damn, that's a big fish. That's big.
Oh, yeah, man.
Got the saw, baby.
Good job. I got it. You got it?
Pull him. Get your hand under his gill.
Oh, wow.
Got you a goldfish, didn't you?
That's a beautiful snapper.
Hold him up high, man.
Trying here.
He's too heavy, ain't he? Look at that sucker. Now we're talking red snapper.
Talking red snapper.
Damn, dude.
Dang,
As
boy.
big as you are.
Beautiful mama.
Good one, good one.
Look at that guy.
Nice. Another snapper.
Crap.
Big one.
Stop. Don't let him get out the water. Just keep it right there.
Big one.
Yeah.
All right.
But I'd steal it from
Nice snapper.
I think I can put a knife on there right now and it would get eaten.
Yeah. Snapper time.
God.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. Think grouper.
Come on, snapper time.
It's small. He's small. Might not even go 34. They went up this year.
It went up?
Yep.
How many inches?
34 inch. Sport. That's measuring.
You're telling me.
I'm thinking shark now. The way he's running back and forth.
Nice size shark.
Nice, man.
Beautiful
Nice
shark.
job.
Yeah.
Really not beautiful.
Actually, it's a spinner.
It is a spinner, yes.
Watch the line. Get the lines on the boat.
Oh, wow.
Getting a little tighter.
There he is.
Beautiful.
Somebody get that lure out of time. Oh, somebody took a bite out of it.
He's sick. We want some fish. He's clear.
Clear.
What you got, Omar?
All right, Amberjack.
Woohoo!
Woohoo!
AJ
There's some
City.
stars down there.
I like it.